Hi friends, hope all are doing great. Today's our topic is how to open the first time Jupyter notebook. Just go to this search, type it as Anaconda prompt. Open the Anaconda prompt here. Here type it as Jupyter notebook. So Jupyter notebook home page will be opened here. Just select here desktop. To create a new folder on the desktop, select desktop option. Then here new folder. A new folder is created on the desktop. To rename it, just select this. Then click on this rename button. Rename the folder as Python. Then again click on this rename button. Okay, file already exists. Okay, just open this Python folder. Then next go to new Python 3 IDY kernel. Select this option. Print. Hello world. To run this file, just click on this run button. Print. Welcome to Python learning session. Or else you can execute by pressing shift and enter key simultaneously. Welcome to Python learning session. Okay, then 4 plus 5, just press 2 keys simultaneously. Shift and enter. 6 into 7, like this. 2 by 2. Shift enter. Okay, press both the keys simultaneously to execute, or else you can run the command. Okay, 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 9. Just select this run button. So output is generated. I hope you understood the concept, friends. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Have a great day.